Welcome back to Dad Deals. Today is Amazon's Prime Big Deal Days. That's their fall Prime Day that they offer each year. Of course, to take advantage of all these sales, you do need to be an Amazon Prime member, but you can often find some free trials to take advantage of these deals right now. I'll try to include some in the description below for you guys if I can find them. But stay tuned, I'll give you my top picks during this sale. And as I usually do during these Amazon sales, I do have a storefront page. So it's not going to be individual links in the description below. It'll be one single link that you can click, and you'll see all of these deals that I cover in this video, and I'll be able to update it live as the sale goes on today and tomorrow. So make sure you bookmark this page and check back often. I'll try to remove expired deals and add new ones that I see. So it's really just one stop for you guys to see what the best deals are going on at any given time. So definitely check out that link. It's going to be in the description below. Of course, I do earn a small commission if you use any of those links on that storefront page. Just a great way to support my channel. Doesn't add any extra cost to you guys, and it just keeps me making these videos. All right, without further ado, let's get right into it. First up, check this out. If you've missed out and been hard to find the Icon magnetic mat at Harbor Freight, here is a duplicate from Shaw Tools, and they're throwing in a magnetic pickup tool with this at a price of $21.24. That's about $4 less than you can get it at Harbor Freight. These mats are super strong. They have 83 built-in magnets. They say they have a 25-pound pull force. You can attach tools, bolts, screws to this thing, as well as even cans of like WD-40 or any other metal cans you have laying around. So these things are super handy. This is a great price, better than a Harbor Freight price at $21.24. And it's yellow instead of red, so maybe you're a DeWalt fan. This would blend in with your collection. Next up, we have a Husqvarna gas leaf blower, where those leaves are going to be starting to come down here in the fall time. So if you have a ton to pick up and you need a gas powered leaf blower, check out this one. This can deliver 765 CFM, 270 miles per hour. Of course, you do have to lug that gas engine on your back. So I do like the battery options that are available, but if you're in a situation where you have a big property to do, definitely check this one out. It's on sale for $320. If you're looking to switch to battery power, Ego is really a great way to go. It is an expensive way to go, but they are really nice tools. Here is the leaf blower and string trimmer combo pack. You're getting the 670 CFM blower with a 4 amp hour battery and charger. That string trimmer does have that power load feature too, which is really nice. Can wind up the string for you. And this combo kit is on sale for $300. Next up, perfect timing for those nice cool fall nights. Here is the East Oak 50,000 BTU patio heater. These run off a propane tank that sits down in the base, also has wheels so you can wheel it around your deck or patio. And this is 10% off right now at $135. It's also the time of year if you do quarterly pest control sprays yourself. Check out this Ortho Home Defense. This is great at controlling ants, roaches, spiders. This is 30% off and a ready to spray container at just $18.51. Check out this pretty cool tiki fire pit. This has that smokeless design, or less smoke design, I think it should say. But this is a really cool design I haven't seen anywhere else. If you don't like that solo stove sort of fireplace design, check out this one. This is a 25-inch fire pit, has a removable ashtray with a stand, so it's going to be pretty safe on a deck as well, which is nice. And this is $300. It's time to start thinking about snow and your snow blower if you're in an area that gets a lot of snow. Here's a really nice blower from Ego. This is a 2-stage self-propelled snow blower. It has a nice light on the front, and you're getting 2 of their 7.5 amp hour batteries with a dual port charger that can charge both of them at the same time. But this is $1,350, pretty expensive, but a nice discount, and you can be ready to go this wintertime. Next up from Greenworks, we have the Greenworks Pro brushless 3000 PSI, 2 gallons per minute electric pressure washer. Everything comes on a nice wheeled cart with a 25-foot hose and a 35-foot power cord. This is $320. Next up, we have a 30-inch smoker from East Oak. Has a built-in meat probe, has 725 square inches of cooking space. These are nice. You can put different food on each rack, so it keeps everything kind of separate and can maximize space. But this is 20% off right now at $242. If you need some extra storage space in your garage or shed, check out these Rubbermaid resin outdoor storage sheds. This is a 7-foot by 7-foot shed. They're pretty easy to put together and very weather resistant, being resin and not wood. But this is 20% off at $880. Again, it's time to think about your leaf cleanup plan this fall. And these are pretty nice. This is the Works 13 amp, so it's corded electric leaf mulcher. So you can kind of stick a bag at the bottom, and then you can just dump in your leaves at the top and it'll mulch them up for you. But this is 30% off at $142. If you want to enjoy a hot tub this fall and wintertime, but you don't want a permanent one, check out these inflatable ones. I've heard they're really nice and they're pretty quick to set up and tear down. but this is from Intex. It's a good brand. It's a 4-person inflatable spa at $520. Next up, here's a Craftsman socket set, 159-piece set. You're getting 1/4 inch, 3/8 inch, and 1/2 inch drive ratchets at $99, all in a nice case. Here's a really nice outdoor storage box from Keter. It's 150 gallons at $150. So you can put away any of your patio stuff, maybe even any pool stuff if you have a pool. So a nice price on that. So next up from Works, here is their 3-in-1. This is a leaf blower. It's also a leaf vacuum, and it even comes with the bag that will store the mulched up leaves. I got this a while ago, and it works well. The one thing I will say is it does clog often. So if you have any twigs or sticks in those piles, it is going to clog on those. But if it's just pure leaves, this works great. It is corded, so you will need to run an extension cord to where you're at, but this is on sale for $94. Here's some more Ego deals. This is their 650 CFM leaf blower with a 5 amp hour battery and charger included at $230. I don't know about you guys, but we have had a big fruit fly problem this summer, and I got some of these indoor fly traps. I actually got this exact brand, the Safer brand, and these work really well. This set comes with 1 trap and 2 glue cards, but you just plug this into an outlet. It emits sort of a purplish light that attracts these gnats and sticks them to the back. But this set's on sale for $11.50, and I like this brand because you can get cheap generic refills. Like, check out this. This is a 40-pack for just $10 of the refill glue cards that work just the same. So if you're having a problem as well, definitely check these out. Next up, here's a smaller version of an outdoor patio heater. This can fit on a tabletop. This emits 11,000 BTUs, runs off a propane tank, and it's from Cuisinart at $104. Here's a nice price on a Dremel. Nothing too fancy here. Comes with a lot of accessories and a storage case at $79. Here's another one of those storage sheds from Keter. This is a 4x6. So it would be great to maybe store a mower, some other outdoor power tools, even rakes and shovels and things like that at $317. Here's a nice price on a great table saw. This is the Skill 10-inch. These are their heavy-duty premium line of tools, the Skill Saw brand. And this is their worm drive table saw with the rolling stand at $599. If you need some chairs on your patio, check out the Zero Gravity 2-pack of chairs at $63. That's a nice price. Pretty much all Works products are on sale. Here's their Pegasus 2-in-1 folding work table. A great work table if you're short on space, can fold up nice and flat, has the built-in squeeze clamps, and this is on sale for $109. Here's a nice collapsible service cart. A lot of brands make these. This is the Olympia Tools branded version. Has 150-pound capacity at $80. Next up, as that weather cools down, you might have some ants trying to get into your house. This is one of the best products that I've found to deal with that. They're super easy to use. You just open it up, set it down, and all the ants will come in and they'll take it back to their nest and you won't see any ants anymore. These are the Taro Ant Killer bait stations and they're just $10 and you're getting 12 of those little bait stations. Next up, this is pretty cool. Check out this Pit Boss tabletop wood grill. This runs off wood pellets and it's 30% off at $196. Here's a really nice mechanics tool set. I have a similar one from Craftsman for $200. This comes with the trays, so everything's nice and organized. So a nice price, and of course you do get that lifetime warranty with Craftsman tools. Next up, we have a double hammock with a stand. It even has a carrying bag, so you can take it with you if you want. Maybe take it camping with you, something like that. But this is 43% off at $142. It's that time of year to put down some fertilizer. Here's some Scott's Fall Weed and Feed. It's about a 12-pound bag here for $26. Next up, we sort of have a barbecue or grill prep table from Keter. Has some nice storage down at the bottom as well at $200. This East Oak brand has a lot of things on sale. I keep mentioning them, so I don't know if I've heard of them before, but this is their outdoor storage box, a 31-gallon deck box at $46. Next up, we have a Cuisinart Deluxe Grill Tool Set. It comes in a nice briefcase, keep everything nice and organized and safe. You're getting spatula, tongs, bunch of stuff here at $50. It's also a great time to start thinking about getting a dash cam. Here's the Rove R2 4K dual dash cam. They actually sent me this unit. Haven't had a chance to install it yet, but it looks like a great unit right out of the box. Comes with everything that you need, even a memory card, which is awesome to see. But this will cover a front view and rear view, and it's on sale right now at 50% off at just $100. Next up, some more Ego deals. Here's their pole saw with a 2.5 amp hour battery and charger at just under $300. Here's a nice propane fire table. Has the glass around it to kind of keep maybe some kids or small hands from getting into the flames. Also gives a nice counter space. But this is a 43-inch rectangular fire pit and it's $228. Next up, we have a small trigger grill at $700. This thing might seem like a gimmick as an as seen on TV item, but I love mine. I use it all the time. It also makes a great Christmas gift. This can store 180 batteries, comes with a battery tester, and it's just $17 right now. Next up, we have the classic Craftsman screwdriver set. Pretty sure everyone has had a set of these at one point in their life, but they're really nice screwdrivers. But here's a 14 pack of Phillips head and flathead at $29. Next up, a really nice router from Bosch. This is your combination. You get the plunge base and the fixed base. It's a corded tool, which a lot of people prefer when it comes to these. And this is $206. A really convenient item to have come Christmas time when you're trying to open gifts and open those frustrating clamshell containers are these Works cordless electric scissors. Also great for breaking down boxes, but this is rechargeable and it's $35. If you have a riding lawnmower or ATV, these can be really convenient to pull behind and get your lawn aerated. These will pull up plugs. I have this exact one. You do need to add some weights to the top, maybe some barbells or some cinder blocks or something like that, but they work really well. And this is $277. Next up, we have another Ego leaf blower. This is the 765 CFM version. I've had this one for a long time. It worked great. Plenty of power for pretty much any situation. This actually has about the same power as that gas powered one that we talked about earlier in the video, but it's battery, so super convenient, super lightweight. Going to come with a 5 amp hour battery and charger with this at $288. Next up, we have the Dyson V11. I have this exact one. I think this one is the one to get if you're after one of these. They do sell some cheaper ones that I find not to be that great, and I think there's some above this, but this is kind of the sweet spot with these. We love ours, use ours all the time in the kitchen and other areas, but this is on sale for $400. If you have any kids or pets, definitely get yourself one of these. I promise you'll get a lot of use out of it. This is a portable carpet cleaner from Bissell. It's also great to use in your car, but this is on sale right now for $75. AirTags are on a huge discount during this sale. Here's a single AirTag for $20. I believe you can get a 4-pack for around $65, which is an amazing deal, but definitely grab these. They're great to throw on keys or in luggage or anywhere else. A lot of these espresso makers are on sale as well. Here's the Breville version, which is a really nice one. This is the Barista Express model, and it's on sale for $550. Here's a great price on the Blackstone griddle tongs. So you can also use these to scrape. They have a scraper on the end. They're dishwasher safe, and they're just $7.42. Check out these batteries. This is a massive 150 pack of the Amazon Basics AAA industrial version of the batteries. Can't say I've ever tried the industrial version, but I do like their normal version. They say these have a 5-year shelf life, and these are $20.10. So if you go through a lot of AAA batteries, definitely check out these. Here's a great price on the Blackstone cover. So if you're planning on getting a Blackstone soon, maybe you have one of the cheaper cover. This is a really nice heavy duty version. Has the Blackstone logo right on it. And this is on sale for just $15. Gear Wrench has a bunch of stuff on sale too. Here's a 3-piece 1/4 inch, 3/8 inch, and 1/2 inch drive. 84 tooth ratchets at $70. Here's a nice convenient portable shop vac from the Shop Vac brand. It's a 2.5 gallon version at 2.5 peak horsepower. And this is $42.50. Next up, a great portable griddle, maybe to take camping with you or anything else, is from Cuisinart. It's a single burner, runs off those 1-pound containers, and this is $56.10. A lot of power stations are having great deals as well. Here's the EcoFlow. This is their Delta 2. Great power station right here. This is $350, has 1,800 watts of power output. You also have the smaller Jackery Explorer 1000. This has 1,500 watts of power output at $350. And then check out this little tiny grill. This is a folding portable barbecue grill, and it's just $8.27 if you click that coupon. So it doesn't get much cheaper than that, maybe for a tailgate, something like that. One other site to keep in mind during this sale is Woot. That's Amazon's outlet site. They're often having deals as well. They have a 15% off pretty much everything with SAVE15 as the code right here. And you get free shipping if you're a Prime member. So definitely take advantage of that. Like, check out, this is the Lawn Master Push Reel Mower. So if you have a small lawn or you want to get into reel mowing, this is on sale for $37. All right, those are all the deals. Again, check out that storefront page. I will update it all throughout today and tomorrow. The link is in the description below. Thank you so much for watching. Please give the video a like if you find it helpful. Subscribe to my channel, and I will catch you guys next time on Dad Deals.